Alright.
Hi everybody. I have this set. It's from Angry Birds, and it has this character. It's the Bomba character, and the movie, and this is from the movie Angry Birds. So you can stack this up. The pig on top there, and I'm gonna face it to myself. You put the bird right here in at the piggy and shoot. Oh wait, you have to press this button to shoot. So, my bird went under. Mommy, can you get my bird?
Is the video done?
No, the bird.
But I'm taking a video of you.
Okay, and then my bird just went underneath. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, give us a like, comment, and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.